morning. We only found an awesome campsite last minute. It's in Brady Mountain Recreational Area, and it's located about 30 minutes outside of Hot Springs National Park, which we're heading there later today. We made it to Hot Springs National Park in Arkansas, and man, this place is really pretty. There are so many hiking trails, biking, birding if you're into birding, and kind of the focal point is Bathhouse Row, which is made up of a bunch of hot springs. So we're looking forward to going and exploring that area tomorrow. What do you think, Mel?
Yeah, it's an awesome spot. It's one of the oldest national parks in the U.S. system. So really neat to see. Lots of foliage, as Ryan said, lots of things to do. It's kind of the birthplace of the American spa also, from what we've been reading. So it'll be interesting to see the Bath Row tomorrow. We are on the Gulf Gorge Trail, enjoying a hike and enjoying some of the fall foliage that's left.
We made it to the famous Bathhouse Row after about a 2-mile hike from our campsite, and decided to stop at the Superior House Brewery, which is an awesome brewery. I had this brie BLT sandwich that had brie, bacon, the biggest bacon you've ever seen, and it was absolutely delicious. What do you think, Mel?
Yeah, it was amazing. What's interesting about this town, though, is you think hot springs, you think outside, you're going to sit in a pool of hot springs, but everything is truly an indoor bathhouse. And then we thought that the bathhouses would be a little bit more off the beaten path, but it comes to a main town where there's lots of shops, breweries, so it's pretty cool.